face and this head. If you don't want it, just choose something. Okay. Next thing is clothes. Wait, why is UI here? Wait, let me try this. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, you can search it. It says Y2K, you can find it here. Pick this. Okay, as you can see, as pants too, it's Y2K. Only the same thing as the clothes. It needs to be perfect. Oh, there we go, there. We find it. We found it, guys. Okay. Guys, if you don't want that shirt that I send it to you, you can pick another shirt. Okay, you can find this Y2K jacket and this jacket that I picked. Okay, pick this. And the hair. Okay guys, pick this. Okay, pick this hair and this option too. And you guys don't need to search it. It's over here. See? Okay, just look out for down. And you can see this bag. Pick it. Okay. Time for the hat. Okay, wait to play hat and hats. Okay, pick this Hello Kitty thing. Okay. If you don't like this face, I'll change it for another one. Okay, no search.